Your roof is your home's first line of defense against the elements, and in a place like Rochester Hills, weather patterns can have a significant impact on its performance and lifespan. From harsh winters to seasonal storms and temperature fluctuations, understanding how weather affects your roofing system can help you take the right steps to protect your home and avoid costly repairs. One of the biggest challenges for roofs in Rochester Hills is the freeze-thaw cycle during colder months. When temperatures drop, moisture from rain or snow can seep into small cracks or under shingles. As that moisture freezes, it expands, putting pressure on roofing materials. When it thaws, it can leave behind gaps or damage that allow more water to enter. Over time, this cycle can weaken your roof structure and lead to leaks if not addressed early. Snow accumulation is another factor that can impact roofing systems. Heavy snow adds weight to your roof, which can strain its structure, especially if the roof is older or already compromised. In addition, melting snow can refreeze at the edges of your roof, creating ice dams. These dams prevent proper drainage, causing water to back up under shingles and potentially leak into your home. Proper insulation and ventilation can help reduce the risk of ice dams and protect your roof during winter. Spring and summer bring their own set of challenges, particularly in the form of rain and storms. Heavy rainfall can test the durability of your roof, especially if there are already weak spots or worn materials. Strong winds can lift or damage shingles, exposing the underlayment to moisture. In some cases, debris carried by wind can cause direct impact damage. Regular inspections after storms can help identify and fix these issues before they become more serious. Temperature fluctuations throughout the year also play a major role in roofing performance. As temperatures rise and fall, roofing materials expand and contract. Over time, this repeated movement can cause materials to crack, warp, or loosen. This is especially true for older roofs that may not have been built with modern, more flexible materials. Choosing high-quality roofing products designed to handle temperature changes can help improve durability. Humidity and moisture are additional concerns that shouldn't be overlooked. Even outside of heavy rain, moisture in the air can affect your roof, particularly in areas with poor ventilation. When moisture becomes trapped in your attic, it can lead to mold growth, wood rot, and deterioration of roofing materials. Proper ventilation allows air to circulate, helping to regulate temperature and reduce moisture buildup. Sun exposure is another factor that impacts roofing systems over time. While Rochester Hills may not experience the same intense heat as some regions, prolonged exposure to sunlight can still cause materials to fade, dry out, and become brittle. This can reduce the effectiveness of your shingles and make them more susceptible to damage from other weather conditions. Wind is another element that can cause both immediate and long-term damage. High winds can loosen shingles, break seals, and expose vulnerable areas of your roof. Even moderate winds, over time, can contribute to wear and tear. Ensuring your roof is properly installed and secured helps minimize the risk of wind-related damage. The best way to protect your roof from these weather-related challenges is through regular maintenance and proactive care. Scheduling routine inspections allows professionals to identify small issues before they turn into major problems. Cleaning gutters, checking for damaged shingles, and ensuring proper ventilation are all simple steps that can make a big difference. In the end, weather patterns in Rochester Hills can have a lasting impact on your roofing system, but with the right approach, you can stay ahead of potential issues. By understanding how different conditions affect your roof and taking preventative measures, you can extend its lifespan, maintain your home's comfort, and protect your investment for years to come.